Having trouble transferring your number to VOXI? It's a common issue, and here's why. A PAC code, or porting authorization code, is essential for moving your number. VOXI, as a mobile virtual network operator using EE's network, sometimes faces hiccups. First, PAC codes expire. They're valid for 30 days, but sometimes fail after just 10 to 14 days due to processing delays. For example, during busy periods, VOXI's April 2025 promotion caused delays up to 10 days for many users. Another reason, incorrect entry. Double-check you've entered the code exactly as provided by your previous network on the VOXI app or website. A common mistake is missing a letter or number, like entering AB123CDE4F as AB123CDE4. Network congestion, especially during peak times or large promotions, can also cause delays. As an MVNO on EE's network, VOXI can face backlogs when thousands request porting at once, like during their April 2025 promotion, where failure rates hit 12%. Finally, billing discrepancies or SIM activation errors can halt the process. For instance, unpaid bills or incompatible SIM cards can prevent porting, as seen in cases where users reported one payment is already under process errors. Key takeaway: always double-check the code and avoid porting during peak promotional periods if possible. Okay, your PAC code isn't working. What now? Let's troubleshoot this step by step, just like a friendly teacher would guide you through the process. First, contact VOXI support immediately through their 24/7 chat. They can run diagnostics to identify the specific error, like an incorrect PAC entry or network incompatibility. For example, if you enter your PAC code like AB123CDE4F, but it's not working, their diagnostics might reveal a network incompatibility problem. If the code is expired, request a new PAC from your previous provider. Under Ofcom regulations, they must provide it quickly. For instance, PAC codes typically expire after 10 to 14 days due to processing backlogs. Just call your old provider and they'll issue a new one within hours. Keep records of all communications. If VOXI isn't resolving the issue promptly, within 1 to 2 working days, file a complaint with Ofcom. Imagine your porting is delayed by 5 days with no clear updates. You can file a formal complaint through Ofcom's website, and they enforce the rules. VOXI's online porting portal is now enhanced, but if problems persist, ask them to manually validate the code with the Number Portability Administration Center. For example, if the portal displays a processing error, request that VOXI manually verifies your code through the NPAC system shown in this diagram. Remember, porting involves VOXI, your old provider, and NPAC, so communication is key. VOXI can compensate you for downtime or delays and consider escalating your case to Ofcom if necessary. For instance, a 3-day delay might earn you a £20 data credit from VOXI. If nothing works, escalate to Ofcom for full resolution.